do, but I have to do it at some point. It's really hard because I'm building my first ever PC. This is gonna be my editing PC, and if you guys stick around to the end, we will be doing a giveaway as well. I'll be giving away my old laptop that I used for the last couple years to edit videos, and I will also be giving away my Elgato HD 60 Plus or whatever, because I got the one that hooks into the motherboard itself. So I am extremely excited to get right to this. I have never built a PC before, so I'm probably gonna make quite a few mistakes. I expect myself to. Give me just 1 second. Oh, am I not recording? Yeah, that would probably be a bad thing. Okay. I am here to rectify my failure. I am building a new PC. I will show you all the parts right here. And as well as we go through them. We'll see if I actually do this. So I'm hoping this, let's go ahead and get into this, and I'll keep talking while we do. I actually bought LTT merchandise for this video. I did not buy a cup though, so I am using just the normal old Eskimo Joe's cup. Water. The best gaming juice, am I okay? Anyway, I bought some cable ties. This is blue, so I don't think it's gonna go with my thing at all, except for I went with Intel on the CPU part. This is a nice screwdriver. It actually feels very nice. I have never bought a very expensive screwdriver before, so don't take my word with a grain of salt, I think is what they say. I don't fucking know. I'll show all those items here too. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, did I grab my knife? Oh boy, this is gonna be a lot. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this at 9:51 p.m. whenever I have to go to. Wow, this is heavier than I thought too. Whenever I have an eye doctor's appointment to go to tomorrow. Ooh, okay, there is a manual. Give me the manual. We will be reading the manual as well. Well, okay, we'll be skimming through the manual. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I know I've watched LTT videos before about this shit, but this is gonna be intimidating for me. I might pause the video some and watch a video on how to build a PC, because this is worthless. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up that video right now, and I'm also gonna check to see if you're recording. I also bought a banana for scale, so that way you guys can see how big my f***ing head is. It's bigger than the banana, I think. I don't know. What are you, f***ing blind? Look at me. Okay, anyway. How the hell do you open this thing? Careful now. Time to read. I hope I have music playing over this for whenever I'm editing or whenever I post it. Because this is going to be boring otherwise. Comes with an antenna? What? There we go. Okay. Installing the CPU. Gently whoa. Hey, if you want to hear me read some go watch me play Pets Dogs 2. Gently press the CPU socket lever handle down and away from the socket. Completely lift the CPU socket lock lever. Use the finger tab on the side of the metal load plate to lift open the metal load plate. Hold the CPU with your fingers by the edges. Align the CPU pin, one marking triangle with the pin to the corner of the CPU socket, or you may align the CPU notches with the socket alignment keys. I already feel like I'm doing it wrong. Let's go ahead and do this. I was honestly not expecting it to come in this little cube box that just says Core i7 1200. I was honestly expecting that one that is like a giant octagon. Did they stop making those? Okay, wait. What the f? Why is it like slightly sitting up? Was it meant to do that? What the f? Did I like buy an oversized chip or something? What the hell? What if I turn it around? Did they like intentionally make this backwards? Like what the f? Ah. Ooh. It's lopsided. You guys can't see it that well because you're all the way over there and I'm not getting up to move the camera. If I have already broken this, I'm gonna be so sad. This is gonna be depressing. But I mean, it sits in right the incorrect way. So it's the opposite. I don't know, man. I'm gonna say I did it right that time. How far down do I need to push it? Is it supposed to be that hard? Did I break it? Don't tell me I broke it. How the hell do I work a screwdriver? I only put the CPU in. I don't even know if I did it right. I'm honestly freaking the hell out, bro. Ah, is this really how big it's supposed to be? Okay. I feel way more confident about how I put in. You think I'm like 85 with these hands? Is it in the hole? No, it wasn't in the hole. You still aren't in the hole. So that's good enough. Let's get this heatsink back on it. I can do it right. Gonna do it wrong. Okay, I'm gonna go into slots A1 and B1. I'll be so happy if this just works. I'll be so happy. This is way too stress-inducing. Like, this is a lot of money for me. I guess let's go ahead and put the case up here. Or should I go ahead and put on the cooler real quick? Man, I sure hope my video doesn't get corrupted or I run out of space. That would just suck. So far, what I have, I just put in like a couple of standoffs. I'm about to put in the other two, and then I'll be able to put the CPU cooler in. I am very sorry that you guys are unable to see me do this because it sucks. I hate it. Okay, I don't know what happened. The video stopped recording. I've said a lot of stuff and I don't feel like repeating it all. I'm sorry. I was really hoping to get like this whole thing on camera. If it doesn't happen, I'm still gonna upload it. We're still gonna do the giveaway for my laptop and my Elgato HD60 Plus. I'm right now putting the CPU cooler in. So to enter, you'll have to like the video, subscribe, comment something. It really doesn't matter what. You can tell me how bad I am, how good I'm doing. Either way, it don't matter. You can still have the chance to win
No matter where you live in the world, I will be shipping it to you. I don't know. I might be doing future giveaways as well, depending on how well this one does. I've enjoyed making YouTube videos more than I have doing anything else. Like, I feel like I put the most amount of effort into my YouTube videos. I don't know if it comes across like that, to be honest, but I actually do try really hard with these, and they make me happy. Uh, I feel a sense of, I guess, pride whenever I do this type of stuff. You know, even if I inspire at least one person to do this, try and build their own PC, that I see as a success.
Hello, this is Editing Crestfallen Chief. This is after I've done the video. It's been a couple months. You guys are probably wondering, did the PC work after I built it? Yes, that is what I'm using right now to record this and to edit this whole entire video. My laptop would have pooped out on me like 5 minutes in probably, which sucks. But hey, it was a good starter for me to be editing with. I might include some pictures of the PC just to show that it is working. Yeah, I made quite a few mistakes, and I'm surprised it actually ended up working. It doesn't overheat or anything, so I'm pretty happy with that. I did read the BIOS stuff, or the manual for the BIOS stuff to help me install it. I swapped the RAM to be in B2 and A2 and B2, which I did a text thing in the video, but just in case you guys didn't read that, you now know. I screwed up that part. One thing, if you guys do plan on buying any of the parts that I bought, it was probably about 1,400, maybe 1,500 after tax and everything. I don't know. I didn't do the math. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. It was under 2,000. So that's a good price to be able to have RTX or have an RTX graphics card for editing. Would I prefer a 4090? Yes. Who wouldn't? Would I preferred a 1300 instead of a 1200? Yeah. Who wouldn't? Biggest issue with the parts I bought, the motherboard. LTT did a video, an Intel upgrade video. Like, it's their most recent one. Maybe I'll link it in the comments or in the description. But one of their employees bought, I think they bought the exact same motherboard, and they were having the exact same issue where the Wi-Fi wasn't working, even though it's a Wi-Fi compatible board, or it has Wi-Fi capabilities. So how I fixed it, since I live in a house where we're mostly Wi-Fi, my cousin's PC is also like directly behind me, and he uses a Wi-Fi stick. So I just nabbed that stick, plugged it into my PC, and the Wi-Fi worked. I didn't need to run an Ethernet cord or move a monitor over to it or anything. So if you guys have a Wi-Fi adapter, just plug that into the motherboard, and it'll connect to the internet, and then you can get all those updates, all the driver updates. And then whenever all the driver updates are done, you can unplug that adapter and it'll work just fine. Easy peasy. Would I rather be using Ethernet? Of course, who wouldn't? But yeah, I'm happy with the work I've done. Like I said, I hope I inspire somebody to build their own PC. I might say it's really stress inducing, everything. It was, but having it be built by my own hands made it really satisfying. Ignore my cable management, please. Even though I bought the LTT cable ties, it was like a pack of 50. I didn't use a single one. I didn't use a single one. LTT screwdriver though, that's a nice screwdriver. I'm glad I bought it back in, I think I bought it like in June, and I got it like a week before I built my PC. That was like the one thing I was waiting for finally, was that. So that way I could use that instead of a crappy non-magnetic, non-ratcheting screwdriver. I'm probably going to be using it for a lot of other stuff, because my future live action type videos, maybe building another PC. My sister wants a PC, upgrading my cousin's PC, because he has like a GTX 1060 or something. It's a good graphics card, but I want him to at least have an RTX 3060. And then one of my other cousins, his PC, we played Ready or Not a few times. I didn't record any of it though. I might in the future though. And his PC sadly crapped out on him. So I'm probably gonna have to build him a new one, because he bought like a pre-built like HP one. It was working pretty well. But sadly it crapped out on him. Maybe I'll do a video about transferring save data from one computer to a flash drive or something. I don't know. I also plan on doing motorcycle videos. I have a bike, but it is at the moment broken. I have all the parts to fix it. That might be a summertime project though. I don't know. I think the next thing I'm gonna be buying is a GoPro, so that way it's a lot easier to record these things. Maybe a bit more capable. Use my phone as like a handy cam instead of the main cam. I guess I'll show off the HD 1060. It will have all the cables and everything also. Same with the laptop. It'll have the charge cable. I think that might be the only thing that would be missing from it. I don't think I might put it in its box. I think I have the boxes for both the laptop and the HD 1060. To enter the giveaway, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite part of the video was, and tell me what you think of my editing, because I've only been editing for probably the last year, but I take so many breaks and stuff. And yeah, I think that's it. I will be trying to live stream a bit more on twitch.tv/crestfallenchief. I'll have that in the description, and follow me on Twitter at crestfallenchief. You guys can follow me on Instagram as well. I post sometimes I post pictures and videos there. If you made it this far, thanks for sticking around. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.